Imagine effortlessly sending personalized messages right when your audience is most receptive. Let's unlock that potential by scheduling messages with Aisensy and Pabbly Connect. First, head over to Pabbly Connect and create a new workflow. This will be our automated bridge between Aisensy and the scheduling trigger. Now, set up your trigger. We'll use Schedule by Pabbly as an example. Specify the exact date and time you want your message to be sent. You can also set up recurring schedules like daily, weekly, or monthly. Next, configure the Action app as Aisensy. Connect your Aisensy account with Pabbly Connect by entering your API key and other required credentials. Make sure your Aisensy account is already set up before this step. Craft your message. You can use the data from the schedule trigger to personalize the message, like including the recipient's name or specific details relevant to the scheduled time. Review your entire workflow to make sure everything is accurate. Double-check the schedule, the Aisensy connection, and the message content. Click on Test and Save to make sure everything is working as expected. Pabbly Connect will create a test message for you to ensure that the message is going to be sent at the date and time that was scheduled. And that's it. Activate your workflow, and Pabbly Connect will automatically send your messages through Aisensy at the precise times you scheduled. Start automating your communications and optimizing your customer engagement today.